In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Canva. Stretching text is a great way to create bold, eye-catching titles for your thumbnails, social media posts, or presentations. Instead of just increasing the font size, we're going to use a built-in app inside Canva that gives you much more control and lets you create that wide, extended text effect in just a few clicks. First, open your design in Canva like you normally would. This can be any project, a YouTube thumbnail, a poster, or even an Instagram post. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen where you see your main toolbar. Here, you'll find options like templates, elements, and text. What we're interested in is the Apps section. Go ahead and click on Apps. If you don't immediately see it, you may need to scroll down a little in the left sidebar. When the Apps panel opens, you'll see a variety of tools and integrations that you can add to your design. There's a search bar at the top of this panel. Click into that search bar and type in the word typecraft. As you type, Canva will start to show matching results. When you see Typecraft appear, click on it to open. Typecraft is the app that will allow you to manipulate and stretch your text in more advanced ways than the default text tools. Once you click on Typecraft, it may ask you for a few quick confirmations or show you a short introduction. Just follow the on-screen prompts. This might include allowing the app to connect to your design or confirming that you want to use it in your current project. Simply continue by clicking the buttons Canva shows, such as Use in Existing Design, or similar options. After you've followed those prompts, Typecraft will open inside Canva, and you'll be able to start typing your text and adjusting its style. From there, you can experiment with the settings to stretch or distort the text until it looks the way you want. And that's all you need to do. Open your design, go to the Apps section, search for Typecraft, click it, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've done that, you'll be ready to create stretched, standout text in your Canva projects.